Hey there, savvy friends. If you're looking to build wealth, it's never too early or too late to start. Whether you're just starting out or have some experience under your belt, adopting the right habits is crucial for building wealth. In this video, we'll share 7 wealth-building habits you need to adopt now. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of the steps you need to take to start building wealth today. Let's get started. Habit No. 1. Track your spending. Do you know where your money goes each month? If not, you're not alone. Many people spend without tracking where the money is going. However, if you want to build wealth, it's essential to understand your spending habits. Start by tracking your expenses for a few months. You can use a spreadsheet, budgeting app, or even a notebook to track your spending. This will help you identify areas where you can cut back and save more money. It will also help you determine whether or not you're re-spending more than you can afford on non-essential items. By tracking your spending, you'll be able to develop a clear picture of your financial situation and make informed decisions about how to allocate your money. This is the first step towards building wealth. You need to know where your money is going before you can make changes to save and invest more. Habit number 2, set realistic goals. Setting goals is essential when it comes to building wealth. However, many people set unrealistic goals that are difficult to achieve, which can lead to discouragement and failure. To avoid this, you need to set realistic and achievable goals that you can build upon over time. Start by setting short-term goals that are easy to accomplish, such as saving a certain amount of money each month or investing a small amount regularly. As you progress, you can set more challenging goals and gradually work your way up. For example, if you're new to investing, start by investing in low-risk investments such as index funds or ETFs. Then, as you become more comfortable with investing, you can venture into higher-risk investments such as individual stocks or cryptocurrencies. It's also important to set SMART goals, which are goals that are specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. By setting SMART goals, you'll be able to stay focused and motivated and make steady progress towards your wealth-building goals. Remember, it's essential to be patient and persistent when building wealth. Don't get discouraged if you don't reach your goals right away. Just keep working towards them, and you'll eventually get there. Habit No. 3. Invest in yourself. One of the most effective ways to build wealth is to invest in yourself. Investing in yourself can mean acquiring new skills, knowledge, or experiences that can help you advance in your career, start a business, or improve your financial literacy. This could involve taking courses, attending workshops, reading books, or pursuing higher education. By investing in yourself, you're increasing your value to employers or clients and potentially boosting your earning power. Additionally, investing in your financial literacy can help you make smarter investment decisions and manage your finances more effectively. Remember, investing in yourself is one of the best investments you can make. By doing so, you'll be setting yourself up for success in the future. No. 4. Create a budget. Creating a budget is essential when it comes to building wealth. A budget is a plan for how you'll spend and save your money, and it can help you track your expenses. Identify areas where you can cut back and prioritize your spending. To create a budget, start by tracking your income and expenses for a few months. You can use a budgeting app, spreadsheet, or notebook to do this. Once you have a clear understanding of your financial situation, you can start creating a budget. There are several different methods for creating a budget, such as the 50-30-20th method or the zero-based budget. Find a method that works for you and stick to it. A budget can help you build wealth by giving you a clear plan for managing your finances. It can help you prioritize your spending and ensure that you saving enough money to reach your financial goals. Without a budget, it's easy to overspend and make impulsive purchases that can derail your wealth-building efforts. So if you haven't created a budget yet, it's time to start. Habit No. 5. Diversify your income sources. Diversifying your income sources is an effective strategy for building wealth. Instead of relying on a single source of income, consider exploring multiple streams of income to boost your earnings potential. This could include starting a side hustle, freelancing, or investing in rental properties. By diversifying your income sources, you will be reducing your reliance on a single job or income stream and mitigating the risk of losing your job or experiencing a significant decrease in income. This can provide you with greater financial stability and security, which is essential for building wealth. Additionally, having multiple income streams can help you save more money and invest in your future. When you have more than one source of income, you're able to allocate a portion of each stream towards savings and investments, which can help you grow your wealth over time. It is important to note that diversifying your income sources doesn't mean you need to completely change careers or make drastic changes to your life. It simply means exploring additional opportunities to supplement your primary income and invest in your financial future. With some planning and effort, you can easily diversify your income sources and build long-term wealth. Habit number 6, review your credit regularly. Checking your credit regularly is a crucial habit for anyone looking to build wealth. By monitoring your credit report, you can quickly identify any errors or signs of fraud and take action to correct them. This can help you avoid paying high interest rates on loans or other forms of debt, which can ultimately hinder your ability to build wealth. To review your credit, you can obtain a free credit report from each of the 3 major credit bureaus annually through the Fair Credit Reporting Act. By taking the time to review your credit regularly, you can protect yourself from financial harm and set yourself up for success in building wealth. 7. Be patient and discipled. Building wealth takes time and discipline. It's not something that happens overnight. Rather, it's the result of consistent effort and patience over a long period. When it comes to building wealth, patience is key. It is essential to stay focused on your financial goals and resist the temptation to make quick and risky investments in pursuit of fast profits. Building wealth is a marathon, not a sprint, and it requires discipline to stay committed to your financial plan and make smart, informed decisions. Remember that building wealth is a journey, not a destination. Enjoy the process and celebrate your achievements along the way. Stay committed to your financial plan and be patient with your progress. By adopting these wealth-building habits, you'll be well on your way to securing your financial future and achieving your long-term goals. It is important to note that everyone's financial situation is unique, and what works for one person may not work for another. So it's essential to personalize these habits to fit your own circumstances and goals. There you have it, folks, 7 wealth-building habits that can help you pave the way for financial success. Remember, adopting these habits won't guarantee overnight riches, but they will set you on a solid foundation for building long-term wealth. It's important to remember that building wealth is a journey, not a destination. Enjoy the process and celebrate your achievements along the way. Stay committed to your financial plan and be patient with your progress. If you found this video helpful, please like and share for more helpful tips on personal finance and investing. And if you've already adopted some of these habits, please share your experiences and insights in the comments below. We look forward to hearing from you. Thanks for watching and happy investing.